AI is changing everything fast. Engineers need new skills now. AI is a superpower for them. It helps solve complex problems. Work becomes much smarter. Many industries now demand AI skills. Engineers with AI are highly valued. They are the future of innovation. AI can improve many processes. It can automate routine tasks. It can find hidden patterns in data. This leads to better designs and safer systems. AI brings a fresh perspective to old problems. Embrace the power of artificial intelligence. AI is a wide field with many parts. It encompasses various technologies and methodologies that allow machines to mimic human intelligence. From simple automation to complex decision-making, AI is transforming industries and everyday life. Machine learning, or ML, is a core part. It involves training algorithms to learn from and make predictions based on data. This process allows computers to improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Computers learn from data using ML. By analyzing large datasets, they can identify patterns and make informed decisions. This capability is crucial for applications like recommendation systems, fraud detection, and more. This capability is extremely powerful. It enables businesses to optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. The potential of ML is vast and continues to grow. It helps in making accurate predictions. For instance, in healthcare, ML can predict disease outbreaks, while in finance, it can forecast market trends. The accuracy of these predictions can significantly impact decision-making processes. Many engineers start their AI journey with ML. It provides a solid foundation for understanding more advanced AI concepts. By mastering ML, they can build more sophisticated AI systems. Then there is deep learning. This subset of ML uses neural networks to model complex patterns in data. It is particularly effective for tasks that involve large amounts of unstructured data. It uses structures called neural networks. These networks are inspired by the human brain and consist of layers of interconnected nodes. Each layer processes the data and passes it to the next, allowing the network to learn intricate patterns. Deep learning is great for image analysis and speech recognition. It powers technologies like facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and virtual assistants. The ability to process and understand visual and auditory data is a game changer. Data science is also very important. It involves extracting insights from data to inform decision-making. Data scientists use statistical methods, programming skills, and domain knowledge to analyze and interpret complex data. AI needs good, high-quality data to work. Without accurate and relevant data, AI models cannot perform effectively. Data quality directly impacts the reliability and accuracy of AI predictions. Data science involves collecting and cleaning data. This process ensures that the data used for training AI models is free from errors and biases. Proper data management is essential for building robust AI systems. NLP helps computers understand human language. Natural language processing enables machines to interpret, generate, and respond to human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Robotics and computer vision are also key areas. These technologies allow machines to interact with the physical world and perceive their surroundings. They are essential for applications like autonomous robots and smart surveillance systems. Learning AI is quite accessible these days. With the advent of the internet and the proliferation of digital devices, anyone with a curiosity for artificial intelligence can dive right in. Many good learning resources are available. From traditional books to modern ebooks, the options are endless. Libraries, both physical and digital, are treasure troves of knowledge. Some of them are totally free to use. Public libraries often provide free access to a wide range of AI literature and research papers. Online courses are extremely popular now. Platforms like Coursera and edX have revolutionized the way we learn, offering structured courses from top